Here to show you guys how to install different Android versions on your BlueStacks. So let's talk about it. Bro, I've been on BlueStacks for a long time now, and I did not know you can change versions of Android. And it's not really a tutorial on here to really tell you, but for those who do know, you're smart, and for those who don't know, you're me. But yo, so first things first, download BlueStacks X. If you haven't downloaded that already, you should. It's the cloud base of BlueStacks. It's pretty dope, and it syncs through different logins if you do have a login account with BlueStacks. And then once you do that, open it up and go to App Player on the bottom left here. And then once it opens this up, we're gonna wait for it to go here. And if for some reason your BlueStacks does not work properly and it does not work for Windows 11, please check out my other video on how to get BlueStacks 11 to work. I can make an updated version as well if it's not working for you. All right, so once you're in here, you should be able to go to the right side here, and there should be these 3 stacks of papers, whatever this is. Highlighted should say Multi-Instance Manager, right? And then once you pull this up, it should show these multiple instance messenger. So basically you can have multiple profiles, multiple versions of BlueStacks while you're in the application. So you can open up a new instance here, and you can either do a fresh instance, let me just make sure, okay, a fresh instance or a clone instance. So you could duplicate your other profile if you want to, but if you do a fresh instance, then it's going to show you a nougat 32-bit, nougat 64-bit, Pi 64-bit, and Android 11. So each one is going to work, so you can create one for each one. So I think when it first installs, you get nougat. So this updates you to 2 higher versions, so more apps can work on your BlueStacks and you're able to run more applications. Or if you ever need to downgrade, you can go back down to the 32-bit or the medium of the Pi. These are the only ones that I know you can install so far on BlueStacks. If there's another way, or if there's more ways to get more Android applications, please do definitely let me know. You already know what it is. If you have more questions on BlueStacks, let me know. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna see you in the next episode. Peace.